Hi friends, if you are looking for a video game theme in WordPress, this video is exactly for you. And I have Power Up WordPress theme which has been specifically made for video gamers, and this theme is a lightweight WordPress theme and created with care by lifelong gamers. Power Up is a love letter to the video game medium, in fact, and through non-stop integration, it has been believed that the Power Up is the most unique looking and lightweight video game theme on the market, and it has been said by developer, of course. So it has been developed by the Bonfire Themes, and they are elite authors and they make good themes. I have seen some of the themes by the Bonfire, and this theme has been designed with gamers in mind and include tips from the industry veterans. It is lightweight, clean marked code and having a great value, and you will find all the features which is required for a video gaming like website. And basically it is a video game description, some sort of blog type website theme, and this is the basic look, and this is the in fact the demo website of Power Up WordPress theme, and it has got a very clear and stunning look, of course, and like a game website, it has black background. So most of the game website have black backgrounds. I don't know why, but I have seen what. So it is a good catch if you are in plan of making such website. So in this video we are going to install the Power Up WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also import the demo content and review the theme options along with the customization options. I have a fresh installation of WordPress for this, in which the default 2021 WordPress theme has been installed, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got multiple materials. First of all, the bonus tips and tricks are here, so it is the bonus with this theme pack, and we can check this, of course. So these are the tips and tricks documentation, so you can use this for your knowledge purpose and for implementation and rest of things. And okay, so in the theme pack rest of things are here. Documentation is here, licensing and some plugins has been given, and Power Up the main theme contents, the child theme, and Power Up the zip main theme zip folder and child theme folder, and some shortcuts has been given in the zip format. So let us begin the installation. For this we have to go in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose the powerup.zip. and if you are having direct access on your server, so you can load the same file in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size, in fact. So the theme file size in KB, and it got uploaded in just a second. It is just 197 KB, not even MB. So it is a very lightweight theme, of course, and once the upload done, we can extract the uploaded file and we can reload, and here are the theme folders and files. All components of themes are here in this folder, the Power Up, and now we can delete the zip one. It is not required, we have already extracted the elements from it. Okay, fine. So we can go to the theme section of WordPress again, and now we have Power Up as another theme option. Let us check the detail. This is Power Up version 1.7 and the premium video game theme for WordPress, and activate it now. Upon activation, it does not prompt it for any plugins in fact, and we can simply visit our site. And this is, since blog based WordPress theme, it does not requires any demo content in fact, and it is simply customized to show the latest post on the page. So this is why it does not needs any demo content. And this is the look of Power Up WordPress theme, and it does not requires any specific settings in fact. And as we seen in the theme pack, so some plugins has been given. Power Up widgets we can install as just in case we need to use it, and rest of things are fine. And it is a good advantage that this theme is not dependent on any external plugin, and you can use this theme as a core of your website, and just start adding the post and it will be reflected on the website itself. So it is basically video game blog theme, so you can use it accordingly. Don't get confused. You can install you are going to have some games in this theme, so this is why I am telling you clearly. This is a simple blog theme for game website. So we can conclude like this. And if you wish to have this theme, you can follow the link given in the description of this video. And if you are first time visiting this channel, you may please subscribe this channel. I am going to bring wonderful videos, plugins and utilities for you on this channel. Keep watching. Thank you.